Today we're making a classic Italian comfort dish, chicken alla cacciatora. Tender chicken slowly cooked with wine, olives and herbs, full of rich rustic flavors. For this recipe we'll need chicken thighs, Kalamata olives, anchovies, white wine, olive oil, fresh rosemary and sage, garlic, white vinegar, and salt. Add olive oil to a pan and place the chicken thighs. Let them brown until golden. Then flip and sear the other side. Once browned, remove them and transfer to a pot. In the same pan, pour it white wine to the glaze. Scrape out all that flavor from the bottom and let it simmer for a minute. Then pour it over the chicken in the pot. In a blender, add fresh rosemary, anchovies, garlic, a splash of white vinegar, and a pinch of dried chili. Blend until smooth. Season the chicken with salt and black pepper. Then pour in the blended mixture. Add the Kalamata olives and stir gently to coat everything. Cover and let it cook on low heat for 45 minutes. And there it is, our chicken alla cacciatora, tender and bursting with Mediterranean flavor. Perfect with crusty bread or creamy polenta. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious Italian dishes.